stopping it because, you know, it's a load-bearing fuel rail. Hey, it's the fucking Joe.
That looks like it's on there better too.
Yeah, I got like most of the bolts in it.
Oh, that's like you won't have to take it off again.
Alright, fuckholes. Here's the fucking maiden voyage. No fucking hood. Probably gonna get pulled over by a cop just because, but fuck them. Pretty much burped out my coolant. I mean, it's still burping, but whatever. Yep. Good enough. I don't got the kickdown cable hooked up yet. And I gotta hook up the electric fans yet. As you can see, gauges are fucking working. Like I said, there's no kickdown cable, so it's gonna shift like an asshole. Oh, that wasn't too bad. Yeah. Fucking gauges all work there, bud. See? Told you it wasn't that hard. Come on, you fucking dicks. Let's make this light. I know not having that fucking TV cable hooked up is bad for it, but I'm only putzing around Ike's house. It's fucking mile down the fucking road. Figure it'd be a good test drive here. Sounds good. Other than it's not shifting, but you know, that's to be expected. Check engine lights on, probably because I have no fucking O2s hooked up. Oh yeah. Forgot the brakes absolutely suck in this thing. Oh yeah, little midget car. Fucking forget. Hey, it's the fucking Joe. Yeah, that was weak. Motor's not happy right now. Trying to figure out what's smoking up here. Probably overheating. Probably not. I don't know.
What's the temp sensor say?
It's hooked up. It's fine.
I smell paint.
Yeah, I smell paint.
Ah,
I don't know. Seems
well, you're
alright.
a nasty bastard. You probably got oil all over fucking.
Yeah, I mean, you know.
Anything you fucking touch.
Yeah. If you ain't dirty, you ain't rich. I mean, no, not that guy. I don't know. Yeah, didn't really want to burn out, but I also haven't edited the transmission out.
Yeah,
It's still looking for a 4L60 right now.
Well, and where's your kickdown cable?
I haven't hooked it up. It was just for this ride over. I wanted to fucking drive it.
Is this it?
And that's gonna be part of it. I did hook up the AC. It does work. It's
Nice.
just this tensioner, this belt's a little too long for the tensioner per se. So when I turn it on, the tensioner starts like knocking against the fucking stop.
All right.
That, and I gotta build a third bracket, like to go from here to like the head or something.
Yeah. before I got to those higher R's.
Yeah, the brakes in the back were actually working. Once I was able to build some R's, and then I let off of them, dude. It was like wheel hopping. It was like just bouncing off the limiter, wheel hopping, just. Yeah, she definitely needs a little bit of loving here, but alrighty, way better burnouts than fucking 4.3.
That looks like it's on there better too.
Yeah, I got like most of the bolts in it.
Oh, yeah, it's like you won't have to take it off again for them.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, anyways. Alright, you fucking cunt holes. Trying to button some stuff up here. I got the O2s in. A little more. I think I got some bad injectors on 2 and 6 over here, and 7 possibly. Everything fucking works though. Literally all the wiring, everything worked first fucking try. I ain't gonna lie to you. There's a loose connection behind the fucking glove box with this fucking connector right here. But everything started working, so I don't know. Fuck with that later. Figuring out the idle issue. I mean, off idle, the fucking thing runs on all 8, but yeah, so I got the fucking kickdown cable cobbled together here. All I did was bend over. That's cruise control bracket. It used to be up here. I bent it over, drilled out the fucking thing in it, put a fucking bolt in it. This is part of a throttle cable from either this truck with the TBI or my fucking Blazer. I don't know. But I used the first half of it, put it in the fucking bracket where the cruise control went. This is the original kickdown cable. All I did was drilled a new hole for the bracket, moved it up further, so this sat back further, so I could get more adjustment. The front's not even mounted, but it's good enough. Fuel rail's, stopping it, because, it's a load-bearing fuel rail. But yeah, I still got the fucking adjustment with the kickdown cable. I combined the 2 cables together with these fucking cable jobbers you get from fucking Advance Auto or Lowe's. I can't remember where I got them from, but yeah, so. Is it perfect? Probably not. I don't know. I haven't fucking driven it, but it's better than one that's not hooked up at all. But yeah, I mean, I still got adjustment to it. I can push it in further and make it even more, but I'm gonna try that. Yeah, she needs a little adjustment. I went a little too far back with it, but it fucking works. Fuck that $200, $300, $400 fucking kit to keep the goddamn kickdown cable. It literally cost $0. You make out your own fucking throttle cable, and it fucking works. I don't know why people spend so much fucking money on shit. Temp gauge decided to fuck off for a minute. It was working earlier. My plug on it's not the greatest. But yeah, another fucking step down. Gotta get another O2 because the ones I stole from the Majestic Jew, one of them works, the other one doesn't. And I gotta get some injectors. Slow the fuck down here for the fucking piggies around here. Yeah, I put the fucking hood back on because, oh, I see you're driving around without a hood. Let me pull you over. Yeah, see it downshifted there. I gotta give it a little more tension. I'll show you what the fuck I'm talking about here. Try to fucking do this one-handed. So there's a button right here. Big old silver button, push in on it, and then there we go. That guy moved in just a cunt here or there. That should be enough. Coming right together, boys. Once I get the fucking thing running right, I can hook up the AC wire so it fucking tells the computer to kick the fucking idle up and actually use the AC. Oh, and after I get a different belt, I'm gonna reroute this a different way so those things ain't fucking trying to touch each other. And it's gonna take advantage of that guy to keep it off the fucking rad hose. Yeah, so basically what's fucking happened is the, look at that fucking sky. Is the fucking injectors on cylinder 1, 7, 2, and 6 are, they're drippy. Sat around, they're fucking garbage. Once clear the fucking thing out, I got the Bruce Jenner all fucking adjusted here. The Auto Tragic one, you know. Mostly adjusted. It probably could go another click or two tighter, to be honest with you, but it's driving good. But anyways, yeah, fucking idle, they're drippy and shit, and they're fucking loading up. And then once you idle the truck a bunch, the truck's loaded up. And literally, when I pulled out of my fucking driveway, yeah, see, it's, I won't, yeah. See, I just gave it all the throttle, and then it clears itself up and goes. Yeah, I'm only revving probably like 3,500. That's what I'm saying. Train's probably needs to be a couple clicks tighter, but fuck that $200 or $300 fucking cable. I really gotta get that fucking temp gauge working again. When it was working, it ran nice and cool like it used to, so I get some new injectors for this thing. I was gonna take some 6.0 injectors I had. I'm sure same part number for everything, 486053 after 02 or 03. But yeah, they're fucked. Oh. Yeah, I don't think these are gonna fix my fucking problem here. Yeah, just a little bit of time I've been off the throttle here. It's fucking loading right up. Misfiring like a fucker. We're close, guys. It's almost a daily driver again. Hope you enjoyed today's fucking video. And remember, don't put your fucking fingers any place you want to put your dick. Oh god, it's stalled. Oh, there. That fixes all the fucking problems, right? GG Speed Shop.